This dance is called Duelo Tanto, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on November 2022. There are 32 count, 4 words, beginner level line dance. No tag, no restart. Okay, let's start with the section 1. Cross, recover, side sashay, cross, side, cross behind, flick. Section 2, cross, side touch, cross, side, quarter turn to left with sweep out, coaster step. Section 3, step forward, recover, shuffle turn, half pivot to right, lock shuffle forward. Section 4, pedal turn, okay, and then cross touch, cross touch. Let me repeat with a count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy the music and also enjoy the choreo. I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.